Yo, it's Kevin Trades. This is my weekly recap and outlook for DAX, the German index. So let's just get straight into it. This is the weekly candle right here. We had a heavily bearish week. We opened around 24,300 and closed at around 23,400. If I do go into the daily, we can see that every candle was bearish this week. But before I break this down, first things first, we're gonna look at the news. This week was pretty heavy on news. Um, Monday we had bank holiday. We had red folder on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but Tuesday was calm. But nevertheless, good opportunity this week. So let's just get into it. So coming into this week, let me just put this line right here. Coming to this week, I was bearish. Reason being, I was aiming for this week low on the daily. I wanted this low taken. We also had a daily sweep here. After this daily sweep, you sweep a high, you look for sells. You sweep a low, you look for buys, right? So after this daily sweep, I was looking for sells, and I wanted this low taken. Right. So obviously Monday was a bank holiday, so you wouldn't trade. However, if you just look at price on the 4 hour, it did move very, very, very clean. The way I mark out drawn liquidities is with a green line, so hence there is a green line here, or wherever I do place a green line. If you look at Monday was a bank holiday, so it wouldn't have been a trading day. We did sweep a high break structure here on the 4 hour time frame. Very nice break structure. Boom. And here, boom. Very clean. I was checking if that was a break. Yep. As you can see, after a sweep, break, perfect fairly up respected. And another one here. And another one here. And a few more here. Either way, we were bearish. If I go into the 1 hour, you can see Tuesday we respected this fairly up immaculately, even though it was Asian session. On Wednesday, however, it was CPI. However, it was very clean top of true week. If I go into the 15-minute now, let's just see how this played out. Bear in mind the 4 hour fair value gap that got respected after all this, after that sweep, which is insane. Very good timing as well. We just kept on dumping. Very clean. Wait, I just want to look at the 15 real quick. On the 15, we had a sweep, break a structure, very clean here. This is Wednesday. And then we left behind this fair value gap, which overlapped with the 4 hour fair value gap, 15 and 4 hour overlapping. Perfect. Very clean drawn liquidities. Boom and boom. Very good trades. As for next week now, what is my idea for next week? What am I thinking for next week? Oopsie daisy. Let me just remove drawings. As for next week, I would really, really like if we took this low. I am primarily looking for shorts next week. I would like to see trade price move lower. I want this low taken out as well. If I just go into the weekly, I want price to trade into this bullish failure up and this inverse. If I go into the daily, it lines up perfectly, and if I go into the monthly, it kind of lines up perfectly with May low, so I can just find out the green line there. And where I would be looking to short from, if shorts do play out, personally, again, would just be any one of these order blocks. Obviously, I want this move here to get rebalanced. Probably one of these moves. So this move here, I would want shorts above 23,741, 751, sorry. Anything above here, I would look for shorts. But my main draws for next week are just this weekly inverse. I want price to move lower before moving higher. But yeah, that's about it. That's the DAX recap. Keep it clean and simple. See you next week.